Well, They All Wear Hats at the Dory Café started out as an idea 7 years ago when I first opened the theater company. I went down to the Ford Square Cafe. I didn't know anyone in town at that time, and so I met the owner. I was telling her about what we wanted to do with the theater, and she said, "I've got a story for you." And she reached under the counter and she pulled out this yellowed, laminated Gloucester Times article, probably from the early 80s. And the title of the article was "They All Wear Hats at Dooley's Dory." And I thought, what a great name for a show. And I filed it away and was inspired by this 7-year journey that the theater has taken, and really recognizing that Gloucester does have a bunch of hats. It has the artists, it has the politicians, of course, it has the fishermen, it has the working class, it has the wealthy, it has the leisure class, as we call it, and the business class, and everyone wears a hat. Everyone has a responsibility and a role here in Gloucester, as they do in every community. And so to stick them all into a cafe during Hurricane Bob in 1991, and they have to deal with each other and face each other and themselves and deal with a time of crisis together as one. It's the common ground. It's our places like the Dory Café that serve as common ground for people of all hats to come together and find their humanity.
No! I care about you more than anything in the world.
Destin? Where is my husband? Where is Max? He should be here with me right now.
I'll go.
Maxie!
I will take the break.
They All Wear Hats at the Dory Café is not a typical plot play. It's more of a character study. It's more existential. We have all of these people who come into the cafe with whole worlds and lives and community outside of this one common space. And so what we get to do in this story is, as each of the characters are met by the audience, they sing what's inside their heads. We get to sort of have a window into their mind, into their soul, what moves them, what troubles them. And so it's really about all these different unique characters.
But did you know you were conceived of love? At least I thought.